Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is today's topic, that is rule of divisibility. So in this topic we will know that the rule of divisibilities of the numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and at last 10. So here I have a question for you, that why do we need to know this rule of divisibility? To know that a number is divisible by a given number or not, we just use long division method, and after dividing, if we are getting 0 as a remainder, so that number is divisible by the given number, we can easily say. But why do we need to know this rule of divisibility? Okay, now let me tell you. Actually in this method, means in long division method, what it happens, for example, if we are taking 1268, okay, and it is divisible by 2, means we are dividing by 2, so it will be such a long process, that 2 6 are 12, okay, then remainder is 0, now bring down 6, then 2 3 are 6, okay, then cross it, then bring down 8, then 2 4 are 8, then remainder is at last 0. So it is such a long method, means it is just a long process, okay. It may takes more times to know that the number is, means 1268 is divisible by 2 or not. So it is taking more time. It's a lengthy process. So after knowing rule of divisibility, in a few seconds we can easily say that the number is divisible by that number or not. So now let's know these rules. So the first rule is rule of divisibility by 2. So here we have a statement: a number is divisible by 2 if the digit as its unit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 2, 4, 10, 22, 34, 56, 78, 522 and 1268. These all numbers are divisible by 2, and there are many more numbers. In another way we can say that if the number is even, so that is divisible by 2. For example, 1268, this is a number, and in the ones place we have a even number, so it will be divisible by 2. Let's take another number like 7368 and 1, okay. Now it is 73,681. So this number is divisible by 2 or not? So for that what we will do, just check the ones place. Here we have an odd numbers, okay, so it is not divisible by 2. Without dividing, without using long division method, we can easily say that this number is not divisible by 2, okay. Now we have some question in checking. Now let's check these all numbers, that these are divisible by 2 or not. So first number is 82,135. So is it divisible by 2? Let's check it. So in ones place here we have 5, and 5 is an odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2. Now go to the second number. This is 97,884. So is it divisible by 2? Okay, let's check it. In the ones place here we have 4, and 4 is an even number, okay. So we can say that the whole number, means 97,884 is divisible by 2. It's just very easy. Now here we have last number 28,47,216. Is it divisible by 2 or not? Okay, you will check it yourself and write the answer in the comment box, that 28,47,260 is divisible by 2 or not, in a complete sentence. Now come to the second rule, that is rule of divisibility by 3. So what is the rule? So here we can study that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is a multiple or divisible by 3. Let's understand this through an example. So we have taken 1431. So the digits are 1, 4, 3 and 1. So let's add this all. So here it is added 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1. So the sum is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. It means it will be divisible by 3. And here at last it is written 9 is divisible by 3, then 1431 is divisible by 3. So the sum should be a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. In that condition, that the whole number will be divisible by 3. Now some questions for you. Let's check it, that this number is divisible by 3 or not. So the first number is 3,67,121. So this number is divisible by 3 or not. Let's check it. So the digits are, 1 minute, let me write the number first. Okay, these are the numbers. So the digits are 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. At first, what we have to do? We have to find the sum of the digits. So the sum of the digits are 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 7 16, plus 1 17, plus 2 18 19, and at last 20. So we got 20 as the sum, and 20 is not a multiple of 3, and it is not divisible by 3. So the whole number means 3,67,121 will not be divisible by 3. Now let's go to the second number, that is 72,54,162. So let's know this. So at first, what we have to do? Yes, we have to add the digits of these numbers. So 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2. So the sum of these digits are 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 4 18, plus 1 19, 19 plus 6 25, plus 2 27, and 27 is a multiple of 3, or you can say 27 is divisible by 3. So the whole number means 72,54,162 will be divisible by 3. Now at last we have 2,10,420. That is it divisible by 3? Write your answer in the comment box with full sentence. Now the next rule is rule of divisibility by 4. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by 4 if either the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4 or the last 2 digits are 0. So what is it saying? Let's understand this through an example. So the number is 3,656. So what we have to do? We have to check its last 2 digits, that is 56, and 56 is divisible by 4. So the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, and here you can know this 56 is divisible by 4 by using the long division method. So it is 4 1 ja 4, and bring down 6, 4 4 ja, it is remainder is not 0, it is 1, and now bring down 6, so 4 4 ja, it will be 16. So 56 was divisible by 4, so the whole number will be divisible by 4. Now here we have some more examples for your practice. So the first number is 6,43,71,228. So let's check it. For how to check? Yes, just take the last 2 digits of this number, that is 28, and 28 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 7 is 28. So the whole number will be divisible by 4. Now come to the next number, that is 32,10,451. Here the last 2 digits are 51, and 51 is not divisible by 4. For that, this whole number will not be divisible by 4. So now we have the last number, that is 63,27,340. So you will check it yourself and write in the comment box that this number is divisible by 4 or not. Now come to the next number, that is rule of divisibility by 5. So the rule is a number is divisible by 5 if the digit at its units place is either 0 or 5. It means if a number has 0 or 5 in its ones place, for example 15, so in 15 5 is 1 and 1 is 10. Okay, so in ones place we have 5, so the whole number will be divisible by 5. So here we have some more example like 15, 20, 25, 55, 4,365 and 93,785. So now let's check some more numbers. The number is 3,12,42,210. So is it divisible by 5? Yes, you are right. In the last digit we have 0, so the whole number will be divisible by 5. Now come to the next number, that is 55,15,253. So at the last digit we can see there is 3. Okay, there is no 0, no 5, so it is 3. It means this whole number will not be divisible by 5. Now come to the next number, that is 4,36,942. So you will check it yourself, dear students, and write the answer that 4,36,942 is divisible by 5 or not in the comment section. I will definitely check it. Now come to the next rule of divisibility by 6. So it's very easy. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, which are the composite factors of 6, so that the whole number will be divisible by 6. For example, here we have 816. 860. First you will check that this number is divisible by 2. Yes, because here is 6 and it is an even number. For that 816 will be divisible by 2. Now you will check this number 816 divisible by 3 or not. So what is the rule? Yes, we have to find the sum of the digits. So 8 plus 1 9 and 9 plus 6 it is 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3 and it is divisible by 3. So 816 is also divisible by 3. It means the whole number means 816 will be divisible by 6. Some more examples are here, 36, 54. Now for your practice I have two big numbers. The first number is 32,14,620. So is it divisible by 6? Let's check it. So at last here you can see we have 0. It means it's an even number and it is divisible by 2. Now check that it is divisible by 3 or not. So for that what we have to do? We have to find the sum of the all digits. So that is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0. And the sum is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16 plus 2 18 plus 0 18. So the sum is 18 and 18 is a multiple of 3. It means this number is also divisible by 3. So we can say that 32,14,620 is divisible by 2 and 3. It means it will be also divisible by 6. Now the next number we have 52,344. So dear students, check this number yourself and write the answer that 52,344 is divisible by 6 or not in the comment section. Now come to the next number for knowing the rule of divisibility by 7. So it is, take the last digit of the number, double it and subtract the doubled number from the remaining number. If the result is evenly divisible by 7 as 14, 7, 0, minus 7, etc., then the number is divisible by 7. This may need to be repeated several times. If we need, so we will continue this. So for example, we have 50,015. So let's check it that this number is divisible by 7 or not. So for that what we have to do? Just check its last digit. It is 5. Okay, so you have to make it double. So 5 2 ja 10. So you have to subtract 10 from the remaining number, that is 5,001. So here I am writing 10. Now subtract it. So 1 minus 0, it is 1, and here is 0. So we have to borrow from the 100 means 1000 place. So it will be 10 minus 1, it is 9. Here is also 9, bring down 9, and here is 4. So the next number is 4,991. So once again check its last digit, that is 1, and make it double. So 1 2 ja, it is 2. So 9 minus 2, it is 7, bring down 9 and 7. So now we have 497. So same process we have to continue this. So the last digit is 7, so make it double. 7 2 ja, it is 14, and 49 minus 14 is 9 minus 4, it is 5, and 4 minus 1, it is 3, 35. So we can see that 35 is a multiple of 7 and it is divisible by 7. So we can say that this number is divisible by 7. The whole number is divisible by 7. Okay. Now some more numbers we have as 3 crore 39 lakhs 68,431. So let's check this number now. So this is 339 and 68,431. So what is the process? Yes, take the last digit, remove it and make it double. So 1 2 ja, it will be 2. Subtract the all. 3 minus 2, it is 1. Bring down 4, 8, 6, 9, 3 and 3. So the last digit is once again 1. So make it double. 1 2 ja, 2. So 4 minus 2, it is 2, and 8, 6, 9, 3 and 3 will be bring down. So our new number is 339,682. So the last digit is 2. So remove it and make it double. So 2 2 ja, it is 4. So now subtract this number. Okay. So 8 minus 4, it will be 4, and other numbers are 6, 9, 3 and 3. Okay, the last digit is once again 4. So make it double. 4 2 ja, 8. Okay, so now subtract it. So 6, it will be 16. 16 minus 8, it is 8, and here we have 8. So 8 and 3 and 3. So now we have 3388. So let's write here 3388 once again. 3 3 8 and 8. So the last digit is 8. So make it double and remove it. 8 2 ja, 16. So write here 16. So 8 minus 6, it is 2, and 3 minus 1, it is 2, and bring down 3. So 322. Write here 322. The last digit is 2, so make it double. 2 2 ja, 4. Okay, so now it will be 12. 12 minus 4, it is 8, and here is 2, so bring down 2. So 28 we got. Okay, so here we can see that 28 is a multiple of 7. Okay, and it is divisible by 7. So we can say the whole number means 3 crore 39 lakhs 68,431 will be divisible by 7. Now come to the next number, that is 47 lakhs 97,305. So it is for your practice, students. You will check it yourself and write the answer in the comment box that this number is divisible by 7 or not. Now come to the next number, that is divisibility by 8. Let's know this. So a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits on its extreme right side is divisible by 8. So we have to check the last 3 digits of a number, that is divisible by 8 or not. If the last 3 digits are divisible, so the whole number will be divisible by 8. So here we have an example, 88,648. So take the last 3 digits, so that is 648. So let's divide it. So 8 is just 64. 64 minus 64, it is 0. Now bring down 8. So 8 1 ja 8. Yes. With remainder 0, the whole number is means 648 is divisible by 8. It means the whole number means 88648 will be divisible by 8. So that was an example. Now come to the next number, that is 64 lakhs 36,448. So we have to check it that this number is divisible by 8 or not. So for that, what we have to do? Yes, we have to take the last 3 digits, that is 448, and by using long division method we have to check that this is divisible by 8 or not. So first take the 2 digit, that is 44. Now you will read the table of it. Yes, 8 5 ja 40 and 8 6 ja Yes, 48. So you have to take 8 5 ja 40. So bring down 4 and it is 8. Now this is 48. So 8 6 ja 48. Remainder is 0. So it means 448 is completely divisible by 8. It means the whole number will be divisible by 8. Now we have another number, that is 7,01,33,504. So this is for your practice. You will check it yourself and write its correct answer in the comment box, that this whole number is divisible by 8 or not. Now come to the next number, that is rule of divisibility by 9. So how to check it? It is just like 3. Okay, how is it? Means we have to add the sum of the all digits of a number, and we have to check that the sum of that all digits is the multiple of 9 is not. Okay, so in this way we can know the sum should be multiple or divisible by 9. That is very important. At that condition the whole number will be divisible by 9. So we have an example for it, that is 24,12,342. So for that what we have to do? Add the digits of the number, that is 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. The sum is 18. Okay, and 18 is a multiple of 9 and also it is divisible by 9. So in this condition the whole number means 24,12,342 will be divisible by 9. Now for practice we have some more questions, that is 5,97,63,600. So let's check it that this number is divisible by 9 or not. So for that what we have to do? We have to add the digits. So that is 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0 plus 0. So now add this all. So 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 7 21 plus 6 27 plus 3 30 plus 6 36. Okay, and 36 is the sum of this all digits. Okay, and 36 is not a 36 is a multiple of 9 and it is also divisible by 9. So we can say that 5,97,63,600 will be also divisible by 9. And the second number is for your practice, that is 9,81,60,501 is divisible by 9 or not. If it is divisible, then write its answer in the comment box, and if it is not divisible, so write in the comment box. Now the last is rule of divisibility by 10. So it's very easy, dear students. If a number has 0 in its ones place, so that will be divisible by 10. Such as we have some examples, 44,33,220. So at last we have 0, and in the next number 87,34,280. So at last we have once again 0. So these both numbers have 0 in its ones places. So it means both number will be divisible by 10. So in this way our rule of divisibility part 1 is completed. I hope that you have very well understand. And now in the rule of divisibility part 2 we will know some more rules of divisibility by 11, 12, 13, 15, 17 and also by 19. So see you all in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be healthy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new in this channel. Bye bye.